work for Armilis, a big tech Spanish company that offer digitalization solution for the industry, focusing on industry IoT devices and trusted data matching. The TRUSTMAINTAIN project consists of the development of a reliable predictive maintenance system in Karayasu. Karayasu, as you know, is a Turkish textile company that faces recurring mechanical problems in its machines. Karayasu does not have enough information for its machine, so the idea is to collect relevant data through new IoT devices deployed on the machine. The innovation is all related to apply the Industry 4.0 solution to industry that is not fully digitized.
Our company is specialized in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software development. Our aim is to automate processes and implement predictive maintenance solutions. TRUSTMAINTAIN addresses Karakasu's frequent machine breakdowns by implementing a predictive maintenance system using IoT and blockchain. The aim of the project is to prevent failures and ensure continuous production. I think that any sector with machinery and production lines can benefit of our solution. I think the Mind4Machines has been vital for innovation and collaboration, providing a platform to develop and test our predictive maintenance solution effectively.
And Karacasu is a yarn spinner and working with different sustainable fibers. We work with 40 different fibers in our company. And we also produce value-added differentiated yarns. The main reason for taking part in this project is to pave the way for digital industry, digital and Industry 4 based predictive maintenance in our factory. We wanted to implement this in our factory, and we had some issues about excessive wear on the front draft, gear belts, and failures in the bearing of the direction rollers, which caused the speed of the 4 shafts associated with each direction rollers to decrease. These malfunctions lead to faulty production due to product quality problems, production line stoppages, delivery delays, and loss of customer confidence. Those are affecting productivity by increasing production costs. This is the reason why we need this project. And would like to state that we are happy to be part of this successful and useful project.